Okay guys, welcome back to another video. In our previous video, I give you an exercise to do. So here is the solution. We just need to simplify is 4 power 1 over 3 all over log half, log 4 power half, according to the principles and the laws of root and the law of exponent in root. So whichever concept you see, but this is the application of the laws of the two laws in exponent and in the root. So now what we need to do is to make sure that the exponent goes behind the logs. So here we have 1 over 3 log 4 all over a half log 4. If that is the case, we can factor out in form of x over y. Let us try. We are saying a bracket of 1 over 3 bracket all over a bracket of 1 a half bracket. So you find out that now we are having log 4 and log 4 outside the bracket. We can cancel these guys. This here and this one. If that is the case, now we are having 1 over 3 all over 1 over 2. So now we need to express it in the form of 1 over 3 divided by a half, which is equals to 1 over 3 times, and when we multiply, the denominator becomes the numerator. Then our final answer will be nothing but 2 over 3. So that was for the solution of the previous question I gave you. Now in this video, so we needed to determine the value of log x base 2 is equals to log 2 base 2. Let us use minus log 3 base 2. So we need to determine the value for this question. As you can see here, when we, according to the concept of logarithm, when we are subtracting, we divide. That's what we agreed on. We agreed that when we are subtracting, we divide. When we are dividing, we subtract. So here it will be log x base 2 is equals to log bracket 2 over 3 bracket base 2. And actually on both sides you can see that we have log base 2, log base 2. So if that is the case on both sides, here we are having a base 2, and on this side here 2 over 3 it's a base 2. So it means we can cancel this guy. We can divide both sides by log base 2, log base 2. So we remain with x is equals to 2 over 3. That will be our final answer. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next lesson where we are going to discuss more about logarithmic equations. Bye-bye.